Hi there, so today we're talking about lashes and how to get the most from your practicing whilst we're during lockdown and you're at home and you've got a chance to have a go. So I've got a pack of lashes here. This is a mixed tray and these are 0.2 volume C curl and they go from 9mm up to I think 15mm. So they're ideal for practicing. Now I would suggest you start off with the longest because it's just easier for you to start off using the long ones and placing them onto your practice head. So I've got some glue here that I've just squeezed out onto my jade stone, and I've put some lashes on there which I've secured down with some micropore tape. This just means it's easier to pull each lash off and dip it into the glue. You've got it all on one thing. You can buy a lash tile to put all of your lashes on, but this is just a way for you to practice during this time now. So when you're using your glue, you want to give it a really good shake and you want to make sure that it's shaken for quite a few minutes so that everything's mixed up in there when you tip it out. When you do that, you're just literally going to take off the top, squeeze one drop onto your jade stone, take a wax strip, wipe off the glue, and then put your lid back on. And that means that you'll keep your glue a little bit fresher and it'll be easier for you to open the lid next time because the lids always get stuck on. So we have our glue, we have our lashes, and now we're going to use our tweezers. So I have one straight and I have a volume one, curved one, and this one is easier. I find that will just go over the top of the eyelid and enable you to separate the lashes a little bit easier than having one that's completely straight. So what we're going to do is, first of all, pick up your tweezers, hold your tweezers, and we're going to have a look at how to isolate the lashes. So what I would do is put my tweezers into the middle of the lash line, find a lash that looks okay, and then put the tweezers either side of that lash and open them up and trap the lash in between the tweezers. So you're actually holding it there and you're ready then to put your lash on there. Use your tweezers. Now I'm just going to show you how to take a lash from here. So I'm going to pop it on top of there for a minute. So what you want to do is grab about a third of the way down, pull it towards you and pull it forwards, and then place it into the middle of the glue and back out. And you shouldn't have a blob of glue on there. If you do find you've got a blob, just wipe it off onto the micropore tape. So we've isolated our lash. We're now going to stroke a couple of times down the lash just to pop a bit of glue on there and place your lash on top. Give it a couple of seconds just for it to stick there, and then you can move on to the next one. So now we're going to go to the opposite eye and we're going to go into the middle again. We're going to separate, hold your tweezers open. With the other hand, pull one of the lashes off the strip into the glue and out, bring it over and place and let go. Okay, so obviously it is different doing it on a practice head, one of these, And these are just strip lashes that we've just stuck on, and they do keep moving all the time, but at least it's a way of you being able to practice lash on lash. So if I just go over that one more time just to show you. So going into the middle of the lashes, find a lash, separate and hold with your tweezer. Take your other hand, take your tweezer, pull it forwards and off the strip, into the glue, and place and let go. And then we're going to go over to the other side. So into the middle, find a lash, hold it open, isolating it, take a lash off the strip, pull it forwards, into the glue, out of the glue. So we're going into the middle of the glue and out, and then swipe it down a couple of times just to get the glue on there, place and let go. Okay, so hopefully that will enable you to practice using your practice head and some strip lashes and your tweezers and the glue with some lashes. These are the 15s on here, so these are the longest. So if you're not sure how to get the lash off that strip, just grab the edge, pull it slightly outwards to the side and then pull it forwards, and then into the glue, back out of the glue, into the glue, back out, place and let go. If you lose it, just leave it and get another one.